Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Notion on your laptop using an easy method. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Notion website. Look for the prominent Download button, usually on the main page. Click it and choose the version compatible with your laptop's operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. This ensures you get the correct installer for a smooth setup. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click to open it. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions, agreeing to the terms and conditions. The installation process is very quick, often finishing in under 1 minute, so you will be ready to proceed in no time. With Notion installed, launch the application from your desktop or Applications folder. You will then have the option to create a new account. You can sign up using your email address or, conveniently, with an existing Google account. If you are a returning user, simply enter your credentials to log in and access your workspaces. Now that you are logged in, take a moment to explore Notion's intuitive interface. You can start by browsing the helpful default templates to kickstart your first project. Feel free to customize your workspace by adding new pages, databases, and various content blocks. Notion empowers you to organize your notes, tasks, and projects with remarkable efficiency right from the start.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.